Hello, this video will demonstrate how subplans function within PeopleSoft. A subplan is an area of concentration that goes along with a student's major. Note that not all students will require a subplan, but BIS students, for instance, will require at least one subplan to go along with their major. In this video, we're going to change a student's major and their subplan. To learn how to get to the screen, watch the PeopleSoft navigation video within the Blackboard workshop. Before you make any changes, you will want to check that the student's status is active in program. Since this is so, we will click the plus icon to add a new effective dated row. Once you have added a new effective dated row, there are a few fields that you will want to check. The first field is the effective date field. It is important to consider the effective date, as the effective date cannot be changed once you have made changes to a student's plan. The best practice is to use an effective date prior to the start of the semester, that way changes can still be made. For this example, we will not touch the effective date. The next field that you will want to check is the program action field. Since we are going to be changing the student's plan, the program action will be plan change, or PLNC. The next field is the action reason field. For student advisors, the action reason is always student request, the code for which is STRQ. You will also want to check the requirement term. The requirement term is the catalog year. It is not important to change this field. Now we're going to click on Student Plan. First, we will want to check to make sure that the requirement term matches the requirement term in the above field. Since it does so match, we can move on to the academic plan. For this example, we're going to change the student's academic plan to interdisciplinary sciences. To do so, we're going to click the search field. Sort the row by academic plan type. Find interdisciplinary studies. And then click the link. Now we need to click Student Subplan. From here, we need to check that the requirement term is the same as the requirement term above, and the code for the 2014 fall is 2147. Now I need to choose an academic subplan. The easiest way to do this is to use the search field. For this example, we're going to choose a mathematics concentration for the student. The student also wants to have two subplans, so we're going to add another row. Make sure the requirement term is the same as the requirement term above, using the same code. And we're also going to add a philosophy concentration. Now that we have chosen the subplans, we will click OK and be taken back to the Academics tab of the student in the Student Services Center that you were viewing. Here you will want to check the Plan section of the Academics tab to make sure your changes are in effect. If you do not see your changes, it is possible you may have hit cancel or have future dated the effective date. If you have future dated the effective date, you will see the changes that you've made on that date.